first graders, it's Mrs. Compton. We're going to do some math. Let's do it. Okay, so we're going to start off again with a number talk. And remember, right here, mental math. So we're going to make some strong strategies. Are you ready? We are going to start off with 20 minus 8. Are you ready? Everybody hit pause. I want you to solve it. 20 minus 8. All right. On the count of 3. I want to hear it. What is your answer? 1, 2, 3. Tell me. Was it 13? No. 14? No. 28? No. 12. Was it 12? Let's find out. Did you imagine 20 in your brain? And if you start with 20 and you take off 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Snap that off. Then you would have how much left? Whew. And maybe you even knew that 8 and 2 made a friend of 10. So you knew when you took off the 8, just 2 would be left on that 10, huh? So maybe you even knew that. So we've got 20 minus 8 is not 28, but 12. All right. So I have a question for you. What if we did 8 plus what makes 20? 8 plus what makes 20? Gotta close up my 0 there. 8 plus what makes 20? So if we start with 8, how much would we have to add to get to 20? What do you think there? We'd have to add 2 more to get to 10, right? So we'd have to add 2 more to get to 10, but we're not trying to get to 10, we're trying to get to 20. So maybe you thought, well, I could just, I think I'm going to get a different color so we can see. I could just add 2 on to the 8 to get to 10. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so those 2 made the 10. And then how much more do we have to go to get to 20? Well, we have to go 10 more. Can you see me? Yes. Okay, so we started with just the blue. And then we had to add on 2 reds and 10 purple. So we had to add on 12. Wait a minute. We had 20 minus 8 is 12. And we used the same numbers again. 8 plus 12 is 20. Anybody notice that? It's kind of like a fact family. Have you guys ever heard of that before? Fact family? So fun because once you learn one of the fact families, you kind of know more about other numbers that go along with it. Okay. My mind is kind of getting stretched out right now. It's kind of getting blown. Are you guys thinking about this right now? Or is it just me? It might just be me. I don't know. Okay, so let's see here. I am ready to say hello to somebody from Mrs. Maciel's class again. And next week I'm going to say hello to somebody else's class. So you have to watch. You have to get ready. Maybe it'll be a class I haven't said hello to yet. Okay, so we're going to say hello to Trey in Mrs. Maciel's class. And I hear Trey likes candy. So let's read his story. Here we go. Candy. Trey has a bag of candy. He has red candies and yellow candies. How many more red candies does he have than yellow candies? Okay, So I read that for the first time, and I need to read it again because there's a lot of words. I don't have the picture in my head yet, and that's the key. We have to know what the story is about. We have to make the picture in our head. So here we go. Let's really try to stop and imagine. Trey has a bag of candy, okay? Bag of candy. He has red candies. Okay, so some of them will be red, and yellow candies, all right? I see red, I see yellow. Sounds good. How many more red candies does he have than yellow candies? Okay, so I'm trying to figure out how many more reds he has than yellows. So I know for sure he's going to have more reds. Okay. I have the picture in my head now. Do you? If you don't, I want you to hit pause. I want you to read it again because you have to have the picture. Okay, now let's think about our numbers. See, I like my just right number sets. Our just right number options are 10 and 4, 20 and 4, and 30 and 14. Now, remember what I always say. You have to have a strong strategy for this one before you move on. Okay? Okay. So let's say you choose 10 and 4. So 10 would go for the red, right? So 10 red, and 4 would go for the yellow. Oh, I just happen to have some yellow laying right here too. And we're trying to figure out how many more reds he has than yellows, right? So kids, when you're working on this story and there's colors like red and yellow, it's time to grab those crayons because it helps so much to color things out, right? Whoa. And it also helps to have math tools. So make sure you grab your math tools. Make sure you have your crayons. You got your hundreds charts. Let's roll. All right. See you next time. Bye.